So you have one of these soap dispensers you need to install. It tells you to use the silicone on the back, which is this right here. Now I just want to give you a little pointer. When you do put the silicone on the rear of these things, make sure you put enough that it'll squeeze out of the holes, as you can tell. See right there? If you push on it, some of it squeezes through. And the reason why you want that to happen, here's another one I have, see it better. The reason why you want that silicone to squeeze out, because as it's drying, it's gonna drip, and as it's dripping, it's gonna make like a hook, so it prevents it from pulling away from the wall. Okay, you do have some stickers on the back on each corner right here that you install behind it, plus the silicone. The reason why you do that, as I said, it's to give it more of a bonding application. This is very similar to when you do auto body work. If you ever see when they do Bondo, they drill holes in the metal. Why is that? So when you fill it, some of it falls behind the holes on the rear of the metal panel, so it has like a nice hook to it. And that's the same procedure here. So don't worry if some squeezes out, let it dry like that. It'll have a better bond. And don't use it for at least, I would say 24 hours. If you want to feel a little bit safer, put some tape, on the edges just to hold it in place. But that should be it, and you'll be ready the next day to put it back together and add your soft soap. Thanks for watching.